understand. Laid my child into your mercy, laid my father in your hands. Every tear fell like an ocean, every breath a broken sound. In the ache your arms were open, you were holding me somehow. You held me in your hands when I was falling. You never let me go. You kept on calling. Through every loss, through every grave, you wrote my story with your grace. I will never lose my grip again on the hand that held me then. Thank you, Lord, thank you. Years I chased a lie and comfort, poison passing through my veins. Thought I'd drown beneath that river, thought I'd die inside my shame. Then my son lay crushed inside